Now let's move to which. And just like the what that we looked at before, this comes in two versions in Chi. So we have the pronoun version, the interrogative pronoun version, which means it replaces a noun. Okay, so we have a version that is used to replace a noun, which means it can act on its own, all right? And we have a version that is used as a determiner, which means it is placed alongside a noun to specify that noun, okay, to solicit specifics of that noun, all right? So for the interrogative pronoun version, we have diehe, 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 okay? So I can ask, ope diehe, ope diehe, ope diehe, ope diehe. So I can move the question word diehe to the front, and then we have diehe na wope. Diehe na wope. Diehe na wope. Diehe na wope. Okay? To the second example, we have oto diehe. Oto diehe. Oto diehe. Okay, so again, we have the diehe at the end. We can bring it to the front, and then we have diehe na otoye. 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 Now, for which as a determiner in Chi, we use bang. Bang, yeah, just like we did with the what as a determiner. So we have bang, bang, bang. So you put this next to the noun that it modifies. So I can ask, ahusuo bang na w'ani gye ho. Ahusuo bang na w'ani gye ho. Ahusuo bang na w'ani gye ho. Okay? Ahusuo bang na w'ani gye ho. I can ask, ɔhyɛ atadeɛ bɛn. Ɔhyɛ atadeɛ bɛn. Ɔhyɛ atadeɛ bɛn. So bɛn is at the end here. I can bring it forward, and then I have atadeɛ bɛn na ɔhyɛ. Atadeɛ bɛn na ɔhyɛ. Atadeɛ bɛn na ɔhyɛ.